All right, class. I'm just gonna do a quick recording. So you can see the announcement. I am a little under the weather and fighting off a cold. I, so let me just kind of go over what's happening this week, and we'll pick things up on Wednesday. So you're gonna go to check out this module this week. There's your reading. My lecture that I'll be doing this week is here. Um, what you might do Um, ah, what you might do is take a look at some of the videos attached. Um, so there's some because when I lecture, I don't usually play these. A lot of these will cover the stuff with colonialism as as we approach it. Um, in your discussion post this week. So real quick thing about the video. So there's other things like these as well. One thing about the videos is that they are pretty traumatizing, to say the least. Um, and as you can see in the post here, I have a book that's in a library that you can read up on some of the early examples of colonialism, imperialism, and then also some later post-colonial territories that were obviously under European imperialism, colonialism. So that's the general layout of this section. Is looking at the way Europe's over the whole world. So frankly, with the time that we would have had on class Monday, if you kind of thumb through some of the readings and maybe watch some of the videos of my lecture, you can kind of see the layout. Excuse me, the layout of this reality. You get a good picture of it is in here. This map of Africa, where you see just how colonized it was by European powers. So definitely just kind of scan through that. The other one, let me see if I put it up here. It's one of my edits I was doing over the summer. Yeah. So here's what Southeast Asia is probably the other um, major area that's been colonized by the Europeans. If you look like the major colonized territories are Africa and Southeast Asia. Um, so Wednesday I'll be going regular time, God willing, to do the lecture. But if you're itching to get started and get the post discussion post done, best thing you could do is go through this, kind of just scan through my lecture, but watch the videos. They really help to kind of like explain what the situation does, what the situation is going to look like right before World War I. All right. Sorry about today. Hopefully some chicken noodle soup and bad rest will be good, but take it easy.